Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Alina crystals subscription box. Obviously we are in July, so let's get into this. Now I have seen the glitter. I think I've seen the glitters. I've got a rough idea basically what's inside this because I saw Sarah do a video on her channel. So she did give a spoiler. But that's okay. Oh, that's cute. Thank you card. Right, let me get everything out. With the scissors. Right, I will move the box over there. So let's start with the crystals as they are on top. So these are large kites, 5x8. So it's this beautiful green. Then these are AB 3D diamonds. So pretty. So pretty. And then, oh wow, these are nice. SS10 pointy back. They are so pretty. Love those. And then this one, wow, these are beautiful. Beach Babe. So there is different sized, like the green opal. And then there are some AB ones. And then, wow, there's a huge heart in there. Wow, how stunning are they? Beautiful. The glitter, Mojito, it's mojito, isn't it? Okay, so it's this pretty green, and then there's iridescent in there. Love that. And then there's a sample, Juicy Fruit, Max. Juicy Fruit Wax Melt. So there's a sample. Let's have a sniff. Yeah, I was going to say that smells like bubble gum. You know the juicy fruit? Oh, that's the chewing gum. Oh my god. That smells divine. Love that. And we have doesn't say what it's called, but a decal. This is really pretty. Flamingos, pelican, some flowers, leaves. That's so pretty. I like that. And then, oh, some ice creams. And this fruit. Oh my god, look at that. And some cocktails. Oh, I love that. That's really nice. And then lastly we have Exotic Palm. Oh, look at the glitter in that. Is that the same as that? Let's have a sniff. Oh God, I don't like that. It smells very earthy. Don't like that. Unfortunately, I will probably stick that in a giveaway. So that is the Alina Crystals July subscription. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.